guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make this very simple dishcloth or washcloth, a very simple pattern to make, and I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook. So we're going to make our slip knot and make a number of chain which is multiple by 3 plus 2. So once you have your foundation chain, on the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, and 3, make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet, all on the same chain. Skip 2 chains and repeat our single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. So that will be our repeat for the entire row. And on the last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. On our last chain, we're going to make 1/2 double crochet. So to move up, doing our second row, chain 3, and turn your work. And we're going to make use of the chain 2 space that we made, and we're going to make 3 double crochets. So you just have to find the chain 2 space that we made and make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, for a total of 3, and then our last double crochet. So to end this row, we're going to make 1 double crochet on our turning chain. This is the single crochet, and this is our turning chain. So we're going to make 1 double crochet on the turning chain. So you just have to repeat our first row, what we did on our first row, chain 2, and turn your work. Skip this double crochet, and on top of the second double crochet, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet. So skip these 2 double crochets and make 1 single, chain 2, and 1 single crochet, all in the same space. So that will be our repeat 1 and 2, our first row and our second row of 3 double crochet. So now I am done with our dishcloth, and I ended up with the double crochet row. So we're just making, we can just close and cut our, so we can close and cut our yarn, and we just have to sew in our ends. This is a very simple stitch, and you can make a dishcloth in a matter of minutes. So thank you for joining me again today. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.